Can we go live?
Yes, sir. Good to go.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. A warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Mr. Amit Gurav. I am the marketing manager at Tata Business Services, and we welcome you all to Do Big Digital Forum. And today's theme is push business using modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. Do Big Digital Forum is a customer engagement and education initiative across cities where industry leaders from across business verticals convene to discuss how digital technologies are being used to deliver compelling products and services, connect faster with customers, and optimize costs. These forums are an engagement platform for our customers wherein on a continual basis, TTBS tries to understand their challenges and provide them with relevant digital solutions. Revealing the current global situation of efficiently operating with limited capacity, our smart solutions will enable you to efficiently work from home to meet the ends of your customers and the organizational needs. Before we start the presentation, I will quickly set the session rules. Dubai Digital Forum is live and brought to you by Tata Business Services. All the attendees will be on a listen-only mode, and we have a dedicated Q&A session post our presentation. So please post your queries, please post your questions through the chat window, and we will certainly address them. We have also organized a live poll wherein 4 questions will be displayed on your screen with the multiple choice options. You have to select the relevant options and submit the poll opinions. The icon for the poll will be on the right hand side of your screen. You have to select the polls. We are going live now. Can we have the polls, please? I'll go on mute. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. The first poll question: what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? I repeat the question: what are the 3 top trends currently impacting your industry? Your options is digital transformation, second is COVID description, third is availability of finance, fourth is business continuity and operation relations, and fifth is business growth and expansion. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. Your time starts now. I request you all the attendees, please answer the poll. You have 10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for the feedback for this poll. Now, next poll, please. In the same icon, you get the next poll. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? I repeat the question. What are the top 3 areas investment for your company? First is hiring to meet demand. Second is upgrading technology, software and hardware. Third is upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud, connectivity and other telecom solution. Fourth is operation. Fifth is marketing and sales. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. I request to all attendees, please participate on the poll. Your answer is very important for us, so I request you, please share your views for this question. Already 76% people are voted, many more to join. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next poll, please. On the same icon. Third poll is, which of the following Tata is offering are you aware of? I repeat the question. Which of the following Tata offering are you aware of? First is collaboration solution, Zoom, web conferencing solution, SmartFlow, etc. Second is IoT solution, Fleet assets, vehicle tracking. Third is cloud and CRM, digital survey, live chat, and SaaS. Fourth is security solutions. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. Sorry. Wow, we get the higher response in this poll. Thank you so much. 76% people are voted. Many more to join. You have 15 seconds left. The count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Fourth poll, please. In the same icon. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? I repeat the question. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? Cybersecurity solution, IoT solution, fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, assets tracking, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, Zoom. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Fifteen seconds left. Five seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for your views. Over to you, Amit sir. Over to you, Amit sir.
Hi, thanks a lot, Akshay, for conducting the polls. Thanks a lot for each and every one of you for your active participation in the polls. We move on with the presentation. Today's theme is Boost Business Using Modern Enterprise Connectivity and Other Technology Solutions. Start a presentation with a quote. In the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed. Very wise praise from Charles Darwin, and we all know he's the father of evolution. He has clearly, mentioned long time back on improvisation and collaborative efforts, and that's what we have seen in the first phase of the pandemic. How effectively the businesses have managed to collaborate and improvise in their areas of expertise, and they are able to sustain the phase of pandemic. You learn, you live, you evolve. The product needs to evolve in order to meet the arising needs of the market. And we have to ensure that the deliveries which have been made to our customers, those are in sync with the market demands. Innovation at any given point of time should be in sync with the requirements of the market. So a lot of researches are to be conducted by the organizations when launching such products and services. This is the brief agenda of the presentation. We will cover the technology landscape. We will cover the SME landscape in brief. We have challenges which were faced by our SMEs during the first phase of the pandemic, and then we move on to Q&A. The only thing that is constant is change. Then along with every change, there comes a disruption. So we have to ensure that change is inevitable and we are ready to accept each and every change within the ecosystem. And with this disruption, we will come out as a leader. We will ensure that there are innovations which are taking place. What is happening to our SMEs? So these are the key technology trends which are enabling the agility of our SME, which includes the business continuity plan, which is the most important aspect for any business. cloud is the most important aspect as well as the security. So with redefining the business continuity plan, we have to ensure there are lower business interruption costs. We have to act according to our plan. We have to resume our operations immediately. We have to fulfill all the regulatory compliances, be it from the authority, be it from the businesses. We have to ensure that we are completely adhering and following those rules and regulations which have been laid down by the authorities. Security is critical. We have to ensure that we provide a secured work environment to our employees as well as to our customers so that their data is secure at any given point of time. We have to also create an integrated risk management system. These were the key business challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic phase one. The most important aspect was the employee tracking. So we wanted to ensure that the employees were following the work from home protocol while they are accessing the important applications while working from home or remotely. Collaboration. So we were unable to connect our distance team member face to face. Those meetings which used to take place during the office hours within the boardroom or the conference room were not happening. So we were unable to connect our customers also face to face to discuss the businesses. Accessibility to the servers and the applications. So we were unable to access the office data or the servers or the applications. Physical travel to the office was not possible. We were completely immobile. So we were unable to access the office infrastructure due to the lack of security and accessibility to the voice infrastructure. So unable to access the PBX infra and the voice due to the voice regulation. These were these were the 5 identified challenges during the first phase of the pandemic. It is a disruption if you are ready for it. So disruption is coming. The difference between a panic and a poise is preparation. So how well we are prepared to handle any kind of situation, how well we are prepared to ensure that our businesses do not suffer during such a chaotic situation, which we have gone through. And these were the most toughest times for our businesses last year. So by going digital, we give the organization ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunity. And to name few of such brands, you can talk about Netflix, Facebook, Airbnb, Uber, and Amazon. So these are the stalwarts who have created that kind of digital space. They were instrumental in creating a digital economy. This is a digital adoption by our Indian SMEs, which is with the smart digital adoption. This is the key to unlocking the full business potential for our SMEs and the SMEs. So 43% of our SMEs, they use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India, they believe that digital adoption is the key to their success. And 73% of the Indian SMEs, they are confident of bouncing back post-COVID period. So what are we waiting for? Aren't we moving ahead in the right direction? Are we not looking out, going completely digital? So this is the shifting focus of our SMEs, how well we are placed and what is our upward curve and the trend. So in the new normal digital first, we are very much there and we are having that upward trend. So longer term focus, which is driving the top line decisions of the organization, and the shorter term focus is driving the bottom line that drives the decision. So these are the 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs. At Tata Business Services, we recommend that our SMEs can follow these guidelines so that their digital aspiration can be taken. Obsolescence is a huge burden, and technology is not a real estate which will appreciate over the period of time. So we recommend to rent the technology rather than owning it due to the cost optimization. SME needs are very unique and simple, and it keeps on, their business processes, it keeps on evolving at a constant. So we have to select a fit for purpose versus a scale down large solution. Unused capacity is extremely costly, so we have to use our capex to build our core business rather than investing into technology, which will become obsolete over a period of time. So we have to build as you grow and pay as you use. It is where we recommend a pay-per-use model for our SMEs. So in general, the cost of integration is 10x of the cost of the product, and the onus will be on the SMEs. They have to ensure that everything fits together. In my first slide, I have, in my second slide, I have mentioned that we have to ensure that the products are in line with the needs of the market. So we have to look for an integrated solution versus a silos of products. And last but not the least, IT talent is extremely expensive currently. So we have to ensure that everything is linked to these spends and it is not a fixed cost. So we have to ensure that the backup, the IT support is always there at any given point of time so that our business operations are in sync with the market requirements. With this, we move on with the do big smart solution and what does it mean to you. This is our core strength at Tata Tele Business Services, and we believe within our ecosystem that we are here to serve our SMEs, as SMEs are really contributing a lot to the socio-economical development of our country. And they are being very active. They contribute 45% of the GDPs for our nation. So overall, if you see the statistics, in the SME sector, the total employment which they generate is around 75 to 80%. 20% comes from the enterprise sector. So there are large chunk of employees which are engaged in SMEs, and for them we believe that we have a complete ecosystem through which we can cater to their requirements and needs. We have 40,000 plus business customers in our ecosystem. We have 1,400 plus channel partners who are constantly guiding, who are constantly in touch with our SMEs for any kind of unique requirement, because their processes also keeps on evolving at a constant pace. We have 1,500 plus channel team members who are constantly working together with the SMEs for fulfillment of their requirements. 60% of the 60 plus cities presence we have across India. We have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team force. We have 125,000 plus fiber optical cable presence across India. We have 160,000 plus field visits which have been carried out by our service team, by our field teams who are in touch with the customers for any kind of services, for any kind of delivery concerns which our customers face on ground. And we have 60,000 plus connected buildings. So if you see, we have overall ecosystem which can manage, which can provide end-to-end services for our customers in the SME sector. This is in a nutshell the Tata Tele Business Services portfolio, which is divided into 6 verticals. So we have a connectivity solution, then we have a security solution, we have collaboration services, we have cloud and SaaS, we have marketing solutions and IoT solutions. So we are a one-stop shop solution provider for our SME, so that when our team members are interacting with the SMEs or their IT heads or their admin heads, so they need not worry about multiple follow-ups. They need not worry about multitasking. So we are there to deliver each and everything, be it a solution, be it a product or service, be it a hardware, or even the third-party tie-ups. So we are there as a one-stop shop solution provider for our SMEs. With a bounce back with remote and secure connectivity, where we have remote access for business, So now here we can get a reliable security for the data while you stay connected from safety of your home. So we have the remote access through MPLS. We have reliable data security. We can easy to install, seamless business continuity and multi-device OS support. So with our Smart VPN, which is a virtual private network, we have the MPLS VPN. So where we can connect the businesses in a traditional MPLS network where we have a higher bandwidth than the SLA based last mile on MPLS. In Internet VPN, we have a low cost connectivity with the managed security services overlay. In MPLS on LTE, which is the last mile where we can now connect the remotest of the branches, connectivity of LTE same with low cost scalable options. We have a secure connect through which now we can connect to the private cloud networks. So be it a cloud from any operator, we can still provide you with the secure through our secure network connect. We can provide you the secure network. Then we also have the remote access. So now we can remotely access the business for work from home or ensuring continuity in times of lockdown. What is a smart VPN? So smart VPN, it is a new age hybrid WAN connectivity proposition for your MPLS from TTBS. With this, we can have delivery on net and off net through the MPLS on VPN, which is a traditional MPLS, which has higher bandwidth requirements. Then we can also deliver at the customer's own broadband to the LTE, which is to the remotest branches can be connected. We also have the delivery MPLS on the LTE through which where we can connect the warehouse, the point of sales or the remotest of the branches, which can be connected to the hub and spoke locations. Private connectivity to cloud through our secure connect, and then we also have the remote access for work from home. So with our smart VPN, which is a wireless last mile, now you can get a telco agnostic solution, GSM based last mile connectivity. You need not worry about the connectivity at the remotest of the location. Now you will get feasibility anywhere, everywhere. It has a cost benefit. It is again a plug and play and ease of deployment. So with our managed secure enterprise grade wireless data VPN solution over cellular network as the last one, aggregation to multiple telco SIMs, bandwidth supported 1 to 2 Mbps, can have a SIM procurement and manageability which has to be done by the solution partner, dual multipath connectivity and centralized monitoring system. This is one interesting case study with Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited. So they are into the cooperative banking sector since 1978. So they are the veteran in this segment. So they have most of their branches in the remotest of the locations, and their customers are not tech savvy. Their customers, or even for that matter, their employees are not that much tech savvy. When we had this discussion with their team members, so they wanted to give the remote accesses to their employees so that they can develop such an ecosystem wherein their employees did not visit the branch frequently and they can get the best of the services through internet banking. So they wanted to us to provide a seamless connectivity to the entire team spread across branches. They also wanted a seamless availability of core banking solutions for their customers on net banking. So at Tata Tele Business Services, we have team of experts. They guided the entire team of Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited, and we provided them with the secure MPLS network for bank to prioritize and set up highly efficient routes for customer traffic. We also provided them with the multiple PRI lines, facilitating concurrent transmission of voice as well as data traffic over the dedicated line. And we also provided them with the high-speed internet lease line connectivity for business efficiency. So overall, there was an operational efficiency, increased customer base, and greater customer satisfaction. So it was a win-win situation for both the parties. For Tata Tele Business Services, we were able to provide them with the customized solution. So here, the bouquet was presented to the bouquet of products and solutions were projected to Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited and as a one-stop shop solution provider. So now we can reimagine work from home. Your employees can access the most important applications of your organization through a secure network, which is a smart internet. So now we can enjoy the uninterrupted secure internet connection at home with our secure VPN access, remote access from home, and commitment of SLA at 99.5%. So with our smart internet, now we can have smart digital adoption, which is the key to unlocking the full business potential of SMEs and the SMEs. So we have to get the best of internet and security, which is a smart internet, which is bundled with UTM, which is a unified threat management with no additional cost. Completely cost effective, so affordable monthly rental starts from just rupees 249 per users. Totally scalable, you can start from 15 users and it can go up to 5,000 users. Wide range of bandwidth, it is available from all the bandwidths from 10 to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. Feature rich with zero capex, so no capex investment and comes with the security of UTM. It is again a plug and play and easy to install and support all the laptops and mobiles. Another case study, interesting case study with Ryanship Management, and they have their customers across all the continents, and they have a very unique requirement wherein they have to provide regular updates to their customers about the consignment. So they operate 24/7, 365 days a year. So that's what the capability they were looking at for their call center, which is in operating from India. So their problem statement was they wanted a reliable remote access solution by which they can connect to their international clients as well as the office locations in India to serve their needs in a timely manner. So the most difficult situation here was during the lockdown period. So with the collaborative efforts and with improvisation, we were able to provide them with the necessary solution. So with our smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services and security, which is backed by UTM. So we were able to provide them with the necessary solution. So Randship Management, they evaluated our expertise in providing the cutting edge solutions in this space, and they deployed the remote access for their employees. So now their employees were able to access all the important applications while working from home or remotely otherwise, and they were able to contact their customers in a timely manner. This is one of the addition in our portfolio, which is the SD-WAN iFlix. It is a force that powers your network intelligently, flexibly. So with Tata Tele Business Services, SD-WAN iFlix, so traditional network architectures were not built to handle the workloads and complexities of most digital transformation initiatives. Business critical services are also often distributed across multiple clouds and service providers, which can compromise network performance further, especially at branch locations. For SMEs in particular, the cost of building and maintaining their own private networks can be high, and adopting older practices like private WANs using MPLS can be financially crippling. This is where Tata Tele Business Services introduced the SD-WAN iFlix, which is completely intelligent and flexible. Is powered by Fortinet, a category leader as per Gartner Magic Quadrant. So SD-WAN iFlix solution gives you operational simplicity, application level prioritization and visibility, integrated security, enhanced overall business application environment, as well as the much needed resilience at affordable price point. So managed secure SD-WAN powered by Fortinet. We have a WAN path controller. It has an application-specific integrated circuit accelerated by with the SD-WAN, which is a faster application identification and steering, centralized control and orchestrations, automations for configuration and monitoring, analytics and reports, so automations for configuration and monitoring, next generation security, so IDS, IPS, web security, malware, protection, antivirus, and botnet, and it also has the OPEX model for SMEs. With this, we move on with the security solutions. This is the first portfolio in our ICS product portfolio. We all know security is very critical, and that's what we have seen in the first phase of the pandemic, where everything was haywire with the security of the organization. A lot of data breach has been taken place. So why there is a need of cyber security? So while browsing net, protecting the company server, while checking emails and working from home. These were the rise in the cyber attack during the first phase of the pandemic, where we were completely lost due to the lack of security. A lot of organizations have actually suffered a lot of data breach as well. Even the BSC had actually warned the market intermediaries about such cyber attacks being carried out during the first phase of the pandemic. So these are the assets and security at any organization which has to be completely looked into. So when we talk about the assets, we have the access, which is the routers, and we have the servers and the applications, where we talk about the servers, we talk about the emails, we also talk about the solutions which are on cloud, and in endpoints we have the small screen, we have the desktops and the laptops. So there is a need of security for hardware and software as well. So what are the components of security offering? In products, we have the data security, we have the endpoints, we have the identity and the access management, and the network security. In services, we have the consulting. We also help out in implementation, testing, operations, and the incident responses. These are the use case risk mitigations for the new ways of working while working from home. We were into the new normal. So there was an accidental device misuse. So staff using multiple devices such as laptops, tablets, smartphones to connect from home. So these devices may be kept unlocked, and accidentally it can be used by someone else other than the employee. So there is a high risk mitigation, and the situation is very much vulnerable. With the user behavior, we have soon seen a certain user behavior which we have followed over the period of time, and we have seen that it is quite evident that we tend to spend a bit of time apart from work on social media, while browsing net, as well as surfing for on our email account. And we also tend to connect the removable media devices on the work laptops. So during such scenarios, the situation is very much vulnerable as a threat for the cybersecurity threat. In the race to always stay connected, the employees often use unsecured or shared Wi-Fi network, and in such a situation, the devices are left connected to business network, as the boundary between office hours and recreational time is increasingly low. So what are the product features set? When we talk about the devices types which it supports all the Windows, PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac OS, laptop, Apple iOS smartphones, and Android smartphones. One interesting case study with one of our customers who are managing the backend of the food delivery application. So their focus was on the low cost processing and high quality output. So what was their customer looking at, so that they will be able to provide them necessary services? So they were looking at zero trust approach, so completely zero tolerance when it comes to data security. So they wanted to provide that kind of services to their customers as well as to their employees. They wanted to provide a secure environment who are working from home. So to ensure the remote BPO workers are protected against the increased cyber attacks during this crisis. So as a solution, we evaluated their requirement with the help of our team of experts, and we provided them with the endpoint security. We also, to be doubly sure, we provided them with the firewall and the multi-factor authentication. So now with this process, their employees will not be able to. So now with this process, their employees were able to operate in a secure environment, and there won't be any data breach. This is one of the introductions during the lockdown period. This is an innovation at Tata Tele Business Services. Now with this, the service industry, when we talk about a KPO or a BPO, will not have to worry about the workspace. They will not have to worry about the calls which has to be handled by their agents while working from home or remotely otherwise. So the smart flow is a smart multimodal, multifunctional, flexible, scalable, secure and reliable suite of cloud-based communication solutions. So why do we recommend smart flow? It is an anytime, anywhere communication. Your agents or your employees can go beyond boundaries. They need not worry about those cubicles and they can make the customer calls anytime and anyway on the go. It reduces the operational and the capital cost, so there is no bulky infrastructure. It works across all the devices and the landlines, and there is no infrastructure and the maintenance cost. Enterprise grade security and reliability, so RESTful API features click to call and number masking, business continuity with 99.5% uptime, and customizable admin portal and access rights. You get the business intelligence, so reports and analytics to track agent and project progress, call notes, live calls and data insights, voice to text, keyword mapping, and sentiment analysis. On demand scalability, so ultra flexible, enables you to adapt quickly, works across platforms efficiently in changing business conditions, enhance customer experience, so we provide seamless and frictionless customer experience. The artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and it is a plug and play API integration with multiple applications. So why do we recommend SmartFlow? It is an inbound solution. We have the TF and multi-level IVR, virtual number, CRM integration, extension-based routing, and user input and API. With click-to-call solutions, we have the click-to-call from panel or website, OTP-based calling, number masking, outbound with call transfer to agent and call patching, COD verification. Missed call solutions, so SMS-based services, OTP-based calling, missed call with outbound integration and missed call with IVR flow. With the outbound dialer solution, we have a DTMF based outbound blast, unlimited routing level, integration of outbound and inbound flows. One of the case studies with a mid-size BPU, so they manage the processes like customer service, lead management, vendor onboarding, and document verification. So they were looking at scaling up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns and customer service processes. And then they wanted to ensure the security of customer data while agents were working from home. So with our smart solution, we were able to generate the hosted contact center, which offers a complete call center operations management features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integration, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing call back, sticky agent sentiment analysis, and detailed analytics. The artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and customer privacy is ensured by number masking. This is one of the collaborative efforts at Tata Tele Business Services, so that our customers, our prospects, they need not worry about doing multitasking and sourcing out for the necessary, the relevant services for their organization. This is one partnership with Zoom. So these some of the partnerships, they are game changing, and this is definitely one of them. So with our and the Zoom tie up as a leading provider of digital solutions, Tata Tele Business Services had a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and enterprise segment, and a partnership with Zoom will provide businesses with highly unified communication solutions, enabling them to collaborate effectively and forge more meaningful relationships with their ecosystem. So with these solutions, businesses can put all of their communication concerns to rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted service, user-friendly interface, and robust security. So this is a complete Zoom solution suite. We have the Zoom meeting, which now where we can have the simplified video conferencing across all the devices, and we also have the Zoom webinars. Now we can engage your audiences with flawless technology. So what are the advantages? We are a one-stop shop solution provider for our SMEs. TTBS range of services, solutions, and offerings empower SMEs and help them to accelerate their digital transformation journey. Robust security to protect all your meetings with multiple layers of security, password protection, role-based security, and waiting rooms can be leveraged for more secure meetings. Trusted service to manage service and reporting by TTBS with comprehensive SLA and user-friendly interface. So simple, easy to use product and tools for seamless collaboration across office and home working spaces. These are the features of Zoom. So we provide you with the complete security for your meetings and the webinars, advanced data protection. It has an unlimited meeting, and you need not worry about the number of meetings to be or these webinars to be hosted on the platform. Live transcription, complete privacy, cloud-based recording, marathon meeting sessions, widespread authentication tools, identity management, remote device control, business intelligence, and superior meeting experience. So what are the key benefits from Tata Tele Business Services? We are an innovative product. So product which is ahead of time and serve the present and the future needs. For example, our products are compatible with IPv6. Next week, so variety of solution available to connect remote locations. Solution also available LTE, which is a wireless last mile, and that's what we have seen in our SMART VPN. Bundle services, we provide solution as a complete offering. For example, ILL can be bundled with CPE, license, and security, so ease of handling for our customers. Best SLA, so we overall level for our data product has been at 99.5%, and TTBS ensure the same is maintained for our connectivity products as well. Complete transparency, and we have a self-care portal, so we can access to a self-care portal. It helps in getting the complete visibility of network in terms of utilization, performance of link, etc. This we come to the end of our presentation. So at Tata Tele Business Services, you can reach out to us through our website, which is www.taratelebusiness.com. You can reach us out through our toll-free number, which is 1-800-266-1800. dubik@taratele.co.in. This is our email ID, and you can also reach out to the WhatsApp number, which is 92233-9822. We are quite active across all the social media platforms, so you can reach out to us through for any of the services, and we will be more than happy to consult and guide you for the necessary service. We are open for Q&A. Is there any question?
So as of now, there is no question. I request you all attendees, if you have any query or question, please write down in Q&A chat box so we can address your question. So still we don't have any question. So I request to all attendees, please take to participate for the feedback session. Your feedback is very important for us. So I request to all attendees, please take participate in feedback session. You have to click the poll button right hand side on your. So first is full screen, second is above, and third is poll button. You have to click the poll button, and you can see the feedback question over there. The first feedback question is overall experience of this virtual event. I request to all attendees, please take part in this feedback question. Your options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 10 seconds to answer this feedback question. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for your first feedback question. The second feedback question is on your screen. Second feedback question is speaker insight for this virtual event. I repeat the question, speaker insight for this virtual event. Your option is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You can select any of them. Your feedback is very important for us. So I request you all the attendees, please take a part in feedback question. Your 10 seconds to answer this feedback question. Your time starts now. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for your valuable poll. Third feedback question on your screen. I request you all attendees, please take part in the third feedback question. First is product insight. The question is product insight for this virtual event. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. I request you all attendees, please take a part in this feedback question. Your 10 seconds to answer this feedback question. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. The last feedback question of this webinar on your screen. Platform experience for this virtual event. So you have to rate the platform. The option is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 10 seconds to answer this feedback question. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Amit sir, still we don't have any question.
And thanks for your active participation in the polls as well as in the feedback. Not feedback will really help us evolve session by session. With this, we come to the end of the webinar. We would like to thank each and every one of you for attending the Ruby Digital Forum and helping us project our products and services so that if there is any requirement, we will be able to help you out. With this, we would like to end the webinar for all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.